In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Jira is. Jira is a widely used project management and issue tracking tool created by Atlassian. It was originally designed with software development teams in mind. But over time, it has become useful for many different industries and departments. Today, teams use Jira to plan work, assign responsibilities, track progress, manage bugs, and organize workflows in a clear and efficient way. If your team handles tasks, deadlines, requests, or ongoing projects, Jira can help bring structure to that work. To understand Jira, it helps to learn a few key terms first. The most important one is an issue, sometimes also called a work item. This is the basic unit of work in Jira. An issue can be a task, a bug, a user story, or even a larger initiative such as an epic. In simple terms, if work needs to be tracked, it can usually be created as an issue. Another important term is project. A project is the workspace where your team's work lives. It keeps related issues together so everything stays organized in one place. Then here is the board, which is the visual space teams use to track issues as they move through different stages of work, such as to do, in progress, and done. Boards make it much easier to see status at a glance. You will also hear the term backlog. The backlog is a prioritized list of tasks, ideas, and requirements that are waiting to be worked on. Think of it as the team's organized to-do list. Closely related to that is the workflow, which is the path an issue follows from the moment it is created until the work is completed. This helps teams standardize how work moves forward. Jira depends heavily on visual boards to keep work transparent and manageable. Two of the most common board types are scrum boards and kanban boards. Scrum boards are used by teams that work in sprints, which are short, fixed periods of time, often 1 to 4 weeks, focused on completing a planned set of work. Kanban boards, on the other hand, are used for continuous flow. Work items move through columns as progress happens, which helps teams spot bottlenecks and avoid taking on too much work at once. It's also helpful to know that Jira comes in different versions based on team needs. Jira Software is built for product, engineering, and development teams. Jira Work Management is designed for business and operational teams such as marketing, HR, and finance. Jira Service Management is intended for it and support teams that manage tickets and customer requests. That's the foundation of Jira, and once you understand these basics, the platform becomes much easier to use. Thanks for watching.